You're gonna ride your bike?
Yes.
Can you pedal?
I can't make it go.
Let's get you started.
I'm gonna go this way. So it's out.
All right, now can you do it? Good job. Ride to me.
I can't push the really hard.
You're doing good. It's very windy.
It's very hard too.
Yeah.
It's very hard to do.
I like this special outfit you've picked out. Are you stuck? Here. Here, let's go to the... Woo! Okay, ride to me. Turn your wheel and ride to me. You can't go. Now do it. There you go. Blow me a kiss. Thanks. Love you.